The garlic and honey tonic trend for supporting immune resilience after 50. Have you noticed that recovering from a cold, cough, poor sleep, stress, or a busy week does not always feel as easy as it once did? After 50, many people begin paying closer attention to their immune health. You may feel more tired after a small illness. You may worry more when flu season arrives. You may notice that stress, poor sleep, lack of activity, or a busy routine seems to affect your energy more than before. That is why simple home remedies are becoming popular again. One of the most talked about combinations is garlic and honey. Social media often calls it a fermented garlic and honey tonic and claims that one spoonful can protect you from colds, infections, weakness, and aging. But let us be honest from the beginning. Garlic and honey are foods. They can be part of a healthy lifestyle. They may offer useful nutrients and plant compounds. Honey may soothe a sore throat, while garlic has been studied for several health effects. But no garlic and honey mixture can make you immune to every virus, prevent every infection, or replace medical care. Real immune resilience is not built from one jar, one spoon, or one trendy recipe. It is built from the daily choices you repeat: good sleep, balanced meals, movement, hydration, stress control, regular health checkups, and staying up to date with recommended vaccines. Still, garlic and honey can be a comforting and useful addition to that routine when used wisely. What does immune resilience really mean? Immune resilience does not mean you will never get sick. It means your body has a better foundation to respond to everyday challenges. It means giving your immune system the support it needs through food, rest, activity, and healthy habits. It also means taking chronic health conditions seriously, especially diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, lung problems, or obesity. After 50, the body may take longer to recover from stress, infection, poor sleep, or inactivity. That does not mean your immune system is weak beyond repair. It simply means that daily health habits matter more than ever. Think of your immune system like a team working around the clock. It needs energy, protein, vitamins, minerals, rest, and healthy circulation. When you regularly eat poorly, sleep badly, remain inactive, smoke, drink too much alcohol, or ignore ongoing medical problems, that team has a harder job to do. A garlic and honey drink can be one small habit. But it should never become the only habit. Why garlic has become so popular? Garlic has been used in cooking and traditional home remedies for centuries. It has a sharp smell, strong taste, and natural sulfur-containing compounds that make it unique. When garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed, these compounds become more active. This is one reason garlic has attracted so much scientific interest over the years. Some people use garlic because they believe it supports heart health, circulation, blood pressure, digestion, and immune function. Research has explored several possible benefits, but the evidence is not strong enough to say garlic can prevent colds or treat infections. That is important. Garlic should not be marketed as a natural antibiotic or a replacement for doctor-prescribed treatment. If you have a bacterial infection, pneumonia, a severe cough, chest pain, high fever, or shortness of breath, garlic is not the answer. You need proper medical advice. However, adding garlic to meals can still be a very healthy habit. It gives flavor without needing excessive salt. It can make soups, vegetables, lentils, roasted dishes, and sauces more enjoyable. And when healthy food tastes good, people are more likely to keep eating it. For adults over 50, that long-term consistency matters far more than dramatic promises. Why honey is often added. Honey is naturally sweet, smooth, and comforting. It has long been used in warm drinks, throat remedies, and home recipes. A small amount of honey can make garlic easier to tolerate, especially for people who find raw garlic too strong. Honey may also be soothing when the throat feels dry or irritated. But honey is still a source of sugar. This does not mean honey is bad. It simply means the amount matters. If you have diabetes, insulin resistance, high blood sugar, or are trying to manage your weight, you should not treat honey like a free health food. A teaspoon is very different from several large spoonfuls every day. The smartest approach is to use honey as a small flavoring ingredient, not as a daily sugar-heavy tonic. The truth about fermented garlic honey. Many online videos show whole garlic cloves covered in honey and left in a jar for weeks. Some call it fermented garlic honey. Others claim it becomes stronger, safer, or more powerful with time. This sounds simple, but it is not something to take lightly. Garlic is a low-acid food. Honey varies in acidity. When garlic and honey sit together for long periods, the mixture changes. People often assume bubbling means the mixture is automatically safe. That is not always true. Food safety is not based only on smell, taste, bubbles, or appearance. Some dangerous food toxins cannot be seen, smelled, or tasted. This is why home fermentation requires knowledge, reliable methods, proper acidity, clean equipment, and safe storage. For that reason, the safest approach is not to keep a homemade garlic and honey mixture sitting in a cupboard for weeks or months. You can still enjoy garlic and honey in fresh, simple ways. Just make small amounts and use them immediately rather than treating them as a long-term stored tonic. This is especially important after 50 because many people may have chronic conditions, take multiple medicines, or have immune-related health concerns. A healthy remedy should make life safer and simpler, not create unnecessary risk. A safer fresh garlic and honey comfort drink. Instead of fermenting and storing garlic and honey, try this fresh same-day drink when you want something warm and comforting. Take 1 small clove of fresh garlic and peel it. Crush or finely chop it. Place it in a cup and add warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavor can release. When the drink is comfortably warm rather than very hot, add 1 teaspoon of honey. You may also add a small squeeze of lemon if citrus does not irritate your stomach. Sip it slowly. This is not a cure for flu, infection, cough, or fever. It is simply a warm, flavorful drink that may fit into a calming wellness routine. Some people prefer to eat garlic with food instead. That may be easier on the stomach. You can add crushed garlic to soups, lentils, eggs, vegetables, stir-fries, or roasted meals. Then enjoy a teaspoon of honey separately in tea or on plain yogurt. The goal is not to force yourself to swallow strong raw garlic every day. The goal is to find a routine you can actually enjoy and continue. Why a small daily habit can matter. People often search for one miracle ingredient because they want a quick answer. But good health after 50 is rarely about one dramatic action. It is about small habits that work together. A person who eats garlic and honey but sleeps 4 hours a night, avoids exercise, eats mostly processed food, smokes, and ignores high blood sugar will not suddenly become resilient. On the other hand, someone who eats balanced meals, walks regularly, gets enough sleep, manages stress, drinks enough water, keeps medical appointments, and adds garlic and honey as a simple food habit may create a much stronger health foundation. This is the real secret. A remedy works best when it becomes part of a wider healthy routine. The 5 habits that matter more than any tonic. The first habit is good sleep. Sleep is not laziness. It is recovery time for the body and brain. When sleep is poor night after night, your energy, mood, appetite, and ability to handle stress can suffer. Try to keep a regular bedtime. Keep your bedroom dark and cool. Reduce bright phone light before sleeping. Avoid very heavy meals late at night. If you snore loudly, wake up gasping, or feel exhausted despite sleeping many hours, Speak with a healthcare professional because sleep apnea can affect overall health. The second habit is eating enough protein. Many older adults do not eat enough protein, especially at breakfast. Protein helps maintain muscle, strength, and recovery. Good options include eggs, fish, chicken, yogurt, milk, beans, lentils, chickpeas, nuts, seeds, and lean meat. Garlic and honey can add flavor, but protein is what helps turn a meal into something more nourishing. The third habit is regular movement. You do not need extreme exercise. A daily walk, chair exercises, gentle strength training, gardening, stretching, or light cycling can help support circulation, balance, mood, and overall health. Even 10 to 15 minutes of movement can be a useful beginning. The key is consistency. The fourth habit is hydration. Many people drink too little water during the day and then drink too much late at night. This can affect energy, digestion, constipation, headaches, and sleep. Try to drink fluids steadily through the day. Limit excessive tea, coffee, energy drinks, and sugary drinks, especially in the afternoon and evening. The fifth habit is staying medically prepared. Adults over 50 should not depend on home remedies alone during flu season or when respiratory illnesses are spreading. Recommended vaccines, regular medical checkups, proper hand washing, blood pressure management, diabetes management, and medication adherence are all part of real immune resilience. A teaspoon of honey is not stronger than medical prevention. How often can you use garlic and honey? For most people, garlic used in normal food amounts is fine. You might use one small clove of garlic in a meal, or enjoy a warm garlic and honey drink occasionally. There is no need to take large amounts. More is not always better. Too much raw garlic can cause heartburn, stomach irritation, nausea, bad breath, or body odor. Some people may also develop an allergic reaction. Honey should also remain modest. 1 teaspoon is enough for flavor. Turning the mixture into a large sweet drink every day can add unnecessary sugar. Your body does not need a massive dose to benefit from a healthy food pattern. Who should be careful with garlic? Garlic deserves special attention if you take blood-thinning medicines, aspirin, warfarin, clopidogrel, or other medicines that affect bleeding. Garlic may increase bleeding risk in some situations, especially in supplement form or high amounts. It is also important to discuss garlic use with a doctor before surgery or dental procedures. People with acid reflux, stomach ulcers, severe indigestion, irritable bowel symptoms, or garlic allergies may find raw garlic uncomfortable. If raw garlic makes you feel burning, nausea, stomach pain, or heartburn, do not push through it. Use cooked garlic in meals instead, or simply avoid it. Health habits should not make you miserable. Who should be careful with honey? Honey should be used carefully by people with diabetes or high blood sugar. Although it may feel more natural than white sugar, the body still counts it as sugar. If you have diabetes, talk with your doctor or dietitian about how honey fits into your eating plan. You may decide to use less honey, use it only occasionally, or skip it completely. Honey should never be given to babies under 1 year old. That warning is especially important for grandparents who may prepare home remedies for young children. When a home remedy is not enough. A warm garlic and honey drink may feel comforting, but it cannot treat serious symptoms. Seek medical advice if you have a fever that does not improve, shortness of breath, wheezing, chest pain, confusion, fainting, severe weakness, dehydration, coughing up blood, blue lips, or a rapidly worsening cough. Also speak with a healthcare professional if you get frequent infections, lose weight without trying, feel constantly exhausted, have persistent swollen glands, or notice a major change in your health. Do not delay treatment because you hope a natural remedy will solve a serious problem. The strongest health decision is knowing when to seek proper care. A better morning routine after 50. A simple routine can make a real difference. Wake up and drink water. Eat a protein-rich breakfast. Add fruit or vegetables when possible. Move your body for a few minutes. Get some daylight. Take prescribed medicines correctly. Use garlic in meals for flavor. Use honey in small amounts when you enjoy it. At night, reduce stress, avoid excessive sugar, limit caffeine, and create a calming sleep routine. These habits may sound simple, but they are powerful when repeated. The body responds to what you do most days, not what you do once in a while. The bottom line: garlic and honey can be comforting foods after 50. Garlic adds flavor and contains natural plant compounds. Honey can make warm drinks more soothing and enjoyable. But the fermented garlic and honey tonic should not be treated as a miracle immune cure. Homemade long-term fermentation can carry food safety concerns, and no natural mixture can replace sleep, balanced nutrition, exercise, vaccines, medical care, or prescribed treatment. Use garlic as part of meals. Use honey in small amounts. Make fresh mixtures rather than storing garlic and honey for weeks. Focus on building a strong daily routine, not chasing one magical spoonful. Because after 50, the best way to support your immune resilience is not one powerful remedy. It is a powerful lifestyle made of small, healthy choices every single day.